How to get the best Foodpanda discount code. Now, first things first, as you notice, I'm currently using my laptop here for you to be able to have a wider view on what we are doing right now. So first things first, before you place an order, let's go ahead and find that specific code for us to be able to take advantage on less prices of those groceries or foods. So just simply create a new tab and then type in Foodpanda coupon codes. Now you'll be seeing a lot of results right here, but we are currently looking at a certain website called wethrift.com. Just simply click on that. Now you will now then be rerouted to wethrift.com's official website. This website is actually for coupon codes or discount codes that you can use, and it's currently or actually working. So if you would like to have this specific code, all you have to do to copy or see the code is just simply click on it. Or if it's not working, you can go ahead and try on other codes. Let's go ahead and try other codes right here. So see this, the code is automatically copied. Once the code is copied, go to the foodpanda.com's official website, and upon placing the order to your cart, just simply paste the code that you have from wethrift.com for you to be able to have a lesser price. So that's it. That's how you can find the best Foodpanda discount code.